If you want to see your tweet activity on Twitter, now called X, this quick guide will show you exactly where to find the data you need. Whether you want to check the performance of one post or review your overall account activity, the process is simple once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos just like this. First, log into your X account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left sidebar and click on Profile. This takes you to your profile page where all of your recent posts are stored. From here, find the tweet you want to check and open it. Now, look at the top right corner of that tweet. You should see the three dots menu. Click those three dots and then choose View Post Analytics. This is the easiest way to see how a specific tweet is performing. Once the analytics page opens, you'll see a breakdown of the post's activity. X shows you useful metrics like impressions, engagements, profile visits, likes, replies, reposts, and link clicks. This gives you a clear picture of how many people saw your post, how they interacted with it, and whether it helped drive traffic or engagement. If you're trying to understand how a particular tweet performed, these metrics are extremely helpful. Impressions show how many times it was viewed, engagements show overall interaction, and link clicks can help you track whether people follow through on your call to action. This is especially useful for creators, businesses, and anyone trying to grow on X. If you want to see overall account activity instead of just one tweet, go back to the left sidebar and click More. From there, look for Creator Studio or Analytics, depending on what's available on your account. Keep in mind that X may require you to upgrade to access some analytics tools, so if you don't see it right away, that may be the reason. Once you open the analytics area, you can review your account's performance data and get a broader view of how your posts are doing over time. This is a great way to see trends, compare engagement, and understand what type of content gets the best response. And that's it. You now know how to see your tweet activity on Twitter, both for individual posts and for your account as a whole. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.